How do you shoot around the world with just 14 days from green light? Spoiler alert, you don't. You do it with imagination and precision, 25 crew and 16 cast, 4 imagined locations and 2 real ones, a strategic blend of machine and human intelligence. From green light to delivery, every hour mattered. Props sourced, sets built, AI backdrops rendered. Scenes across continents created at home. Schedules, call sheets and shot lists. Production puzzles solved in real time. Every department pushing limits. Art direction blending with AI. Lighting to match virtual skies. And actors stepping into worlds that didn't exist yesterday. It took creative, technical, relentless minds to bring the ideas to life for Swift. The result is a film that travels the world without ever having to board a plane. Because when craft meets tech, the world comes to you.
Thank you very much, everybody. That's that.